This Coldwell Banker Schmitt Real Estate Company property video is presented by Michelle Cook. Fisherman's Paradise. Assigned boat slips, community boat ramp, boat trailer parking, tiki huts, heated and chilled pool, and ample parking. 200 feet wide canal with a 6 feet controlled depth can accommodate boats up to 50 feet. Extensive repairs from Hurricane Irma are almost finished, including spalling and painting of all buildings. No current or pending assessments. All repairs being paid from insurance settlements. Includes a large inside storage closet for all your fishing gear. Just a short walk to Coco Plum Beach, 1 mile. This is a second floor unit, so no flood worries. Investors, long-term tenant would like to stay. For more information, review the details below.